In SQL Server, you can use set row count statement to modify the behavior of DML statements like select and update. You can basically force those statements to stop after processing a certain number of rows. We can emulate that functionality by synthetically changing the code and basically using a top clause wherever we can. Let's see how do we do about it. So we have here test proc limitations row count. Actually, let me take that to our scratchpad and make it a bit more complex here. So how does this work? We don't really need this one. So if there is a set row count, we're going to comment it out, but then standard select is going to be changed to select top 4 star, right? If I start just copying this one after the other, this is how it's going to work. So we can say 40 or we can say 10 and it's going to be changed just like this. If I, for example, say something like, okay, declare count int should be, for example, 13, right? And then I say actually set row count, that's also gonna work as expected. So in all cases where we can do so, we're actually gonna be changing the code to provide to use a top clause. Where we cannot, we'll just mark set row count limitation and you'll have to rewrite the code on your own.